Просто хорал сам чар вже беги. И покажи один доста смешен клип. Не съм много обичали. Да, ще е смешно за вас. Сега, допускаме.
What's up? Today I'm gonna fill my bathtub with oobleck. In order to make oobleck, we're gonna need some cornstarch. In this case, we're gonna need a lot because we have a bathtub. I have food coloring, lots of food coloring to make it look appealing. Now it's time to pour all the cornstarch into the bathtub. Once you're done with that, get your food coloring and start pouring that on top of the cornstarch. Now just add some water and then grab your giant whisk and just mix it all up and dilute all this cornstarch. When it's mixed, just wait 30 minutes. Okay, so I didn't fill the bathtub all the way through because I didn't have enough cornstarch to fill the bathtub, but it's been 30 minutes. Let's check on it. Yo! What the heck? Whoa. Whoa, right through it. So all the cornstarch is in the bottom. So if you don't know what oobleek is, or oobleck, it's basically cornstarch added with water. Because you're not sure if it's solid or liquid. Okay, so let me demonstrate what oobleck is. Basically, you get your cornstarch, put it in a container like this, and since the cornstarch is a thickening agent, meaning they use this in gravy or any liquid that wants to be thickened, check this out. Put a little bit of water here, mix it a little bit. You're gonna end up with this jello-like slimy, gluey mixture, okay? So check this out. I wanna show you something. So we want to know if oobleck is solid or liquid. You put your hand in there, it's gonna sink, okay? And it's really hard to get out. Oh, gross. And then you smack it with anything, it's just gonna bounce right out. Ready? See? See? It's pretty much very solid on the outer layers. But if you keep your hand down there, it's gonna sink instantly. But if you add a lot of force, it's gonna act like a solid. It's gonna bounce right out. See? See? But if I just do it slowly, my hand's just gonna sink. Isn't that crazy? I don't understand the science of this. Let's see if this racket can do the trick. Nothing, barely anything right here. But if you just leave it on like that, everything just goes right to it. Isn't that crazy? Let's do the other side. Look at this, nothing, right? Add some force. Barely anything. Leave it on there. It's gonna suck the whole thing in.
Okay.
Wow. Alright, let's put this under here.
Seriously?
Ooh, that looks pretty. Alright, as always, let's take a dip. Ooh, yeah. So I added too much water, so only the bottom layer is full of oobleck. Other than that, this is basically like a regular bathtub. Yeah. This is the oobleck bath challenge. This is pretty warm. Oh no. You see, it's really hard to get the oobleck because it keeps dissolving every time I touch it. So I gotta act really, really quickly. Oobleck! I got all this oobleck!
Смотри,
Taste it in
скачал
my
себе
mouth.
Нужно извърши времето. Но сам не мога повече от 15 минути. Такива ми се настроят. Какъв душ. Ох, не ти.
My name is Roy. I'm gonna try out for the 2016 Olympics. This is the national diving competition.
Даже май за още едно. Не знам, може са 2-3.
Was that good? This is round number 2 of the national diving competition. competition. Here we go. This is called the cannonball. That hurt. This thing, I forgot this thing was in here. It kind of like went up my butt. It hurt. This is the backstroke. Hi everyone, thanks for watching. Sorry it's not as intense or just crazily water-filled like my other bath challenge, but I hope you enjoyed this experiment. I'm kind of sad the whole bathtub wasn't like super blecky or whatever, but hope you enjoyed. Don't try this at home or anywhere else, and I'll see you next time.
А собственно, мой посмотрите. Эй, пьяно смешно ведь. Я начал
Hey, what's up? Today, we're gonna fill this bathtub with green slime. Let's do this!
Okay, we're gonna need some borax. A lot of borax. Food coloring. Lots of food coloring. Glue. 51 gallons of glue. And a giant fork to mix it with. Now we're gonna have to pour all the glue
Сразу
into the
вот ведь сам
bathtub. This
гулял.
process
Сразу
took me
знал,
1 hour to dump 51 gallons of glue in here. But anyways, after that, you gotta put your food coloring. Oh, hello. Look at how cool this looks like.
Огромная велица.
This is beginning
Я
starting
скомтаковал.
to look like slime. Once it's light green like this, just add some water to
Ча.
dilute the glue and add some borax to make the glue a little more
Water.
slime-like. Look at all this
Water.
borax.
Hello,
Wow.
water.
Just mix it up and it should look a little bit more stickier, slimier like this.
Ой, аромат. Ой,
There you have it.
это знак, где такая
This is what you
комнате
get when you
снимала.
put 52 gallons
И там
of
разделился
glue,
один
some food coloring,
зелен
and some borax. You get
слайма.
slime.
Дел.
Whoa, this feels so. Whoa, look at all this slime.
А топ кайса.
Whoa, I'm like a swamp monster. All right, here we go. Going in. Oh, it is so cold. This is the slime bath challenge. Oh, it's so sticky. Whoa. Oh, look at that engulfing me. Wow. Is this healthy for your skin? Look at all this slime. Oh my goodness. This is insane. Row, row, row your boat down the stream. Merrily, 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 merrily. This bathtub's really green. This is like the weirdest bubble bath of my life. This is awesome. All right, going under. 3, 2, 1. I'm going down so slow because it's so dense here. Okay, I'm going down. I feel like a swamp monster. Whoa, this is like the weirdest bubble bath I've ever had in my life. Oh, I can't see. I don't want to open my eyes because it's slime. Yeah. Yay!
A few moments later.
Alright, it's been 2 hours since I put this in. I've been trying to clean everything up, but every time I clean it up, check what happens. It's slowly becoming more solidified. Like, you see the slime? It's actually becoming slime now, and it actually falls down my hand. See, there's like no slime in my hand. I'm gonna test this one more time. This is basically all slime now. Like, look at that. Look at this. This is insane. Just the amount of slime in here now. Wow. Look at this. The insane amount of slime coming from the bottom. It's like a chair now, see? Wow. This is like the true version of the slime bath challenge right here. How do I look? Do I look like Shrek's brother?
Это вот Лена здесь
Yo, what up? You like my new hairdo?
Maybe aside intro.
Hi. Let it go. Let it go. Oh, this is amazing. All I can say is, don't try this at home because
Я
I
уже.
have no idea how I'm gonna clean this, but I will eventually. And yeah, thanks for watching. If you like me doing all these weird things, please give it a thumbs up. And I'll see you next time. Stay juicy.
Я уже забегаю. Вие бяхте мълчали в тази застройка. И чао! Не забравяйте да се абонирате. Чао, чао! До следващия клип. Бай-бай!